Welcome to my channel. If you learn from this video, then like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform binary subtraction using ones complement. Before starting, let's get some clear idea about subtraction. Suppose we have to subtract 9 minus 4. The result will be 5. Okay. Now we are going to get used to the words which are used for this terms. That is, this 9 will be called as minuend, or you can say minuend, and this 4 is called as subtrahend. So you have to understand this. So what is minuend, what is subtrahend, and this 5 is called as a difference. Okay. So the key note over here is that subtrahend is the second number in a subtraction. It is subtracted from the minuend to get the difference. So whenever there is a number present after the minus sign, that will be the subtrahend. Okay. Now why we are doing binary subtraction using ones complement? Because in previous video we learned how to do simple binary subtraction. The binary subtraction using ones complement or twos complement is useful when the second number is greater than first. That is, 9 minus 4 can be easily done in using binary subtraction, but 4 minus 9 you can't do using binary subtraction. For that you have to use binary subtraction using ones complement or twos complement. You have to use any one of them. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform binary subtraction using ones complement. Later, we will see how to perform it using twos complement. So understood? Whenever the second number is greater than first, that is subtrahend is greater than minuend, we will perform using ones complement or twos complement. So moving, we will take one example. Suppose we have 9 minus 4 and we have to find its binary subtraction. So first step will be, we will convert this 9 into binary, that is 1001, and we have to minus it from 4. The 4's binary equivalent is 0100. So first I converted it into binary equivalent. Now the main step 1 is to find ones complement of subtrahend. See why I taught you what is subtrahend and minuend, because we have to find ones complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is the second number, that is 4. So 4's binary equivalent was 0100 and its ones complement. Ones complement will be 1011. Just invert zeros and 1, that is, instead of 0 you will write 1 and instead of 1 you will write 0. This is an easy technique to find ones complement. If you have to understood it nicely, then you can watch my video on how to find ones complement and twos complement. The link is given below in description box. Now step 2, we have to add with minuend, that is, this result of ones complement is added with the minuend. The minuend's binary equivalent was 1001 and then add it with 1011. Okay, so we have to add it, and I have taught you how to perform binary addition. If you don't know how to perform binary addition, then you can watch that video. The link is given in description box. So suppose 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 again 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. And then 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1. So as you can see, I am getting this 1 carry over. So whenever the carry is generated, it add it to the least significant bit of the given result. So we have to add to this least significant bit. So what we will do is 0100 plus 1. What we will get? 0101. So this will be the final result. Okay. So 1001 minus 0100 will be equal to 0101, and the result which you get is positive, because 1001 is 9 minus 4 will be equal to 5. See, this the result is positive will be used when you will convert it into decimal, so the answer will be positive. It is okay if you don't give positive sign, but remember that whenever the carry is generated, you have to add it to the LSB, and this will be the final answer, not this one. Okay, so 0101 is my final answer for binary subtraction of 9 minus 4. Then moving to another example. Suppose we have 4 minus 9, that is my second number is greater than first. So my 4's equivalent is 0, 1, 0, 0, and my 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so find 1's complement of the subtrahend. Now here we will find 1's complement of 9 and not of 4. Okay, so 9's binary equivalent was 1, 0, 0, 1. Its 1 complement will be 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, same step. Now add it with minuend. That is, we have to add both the binary equivalents. That is 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 0. So I have added 1's complement of 9 and 4's binary equivalent. So we will get 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1. As you can see, there is no carry, there is nothing carry forwarded ahead, or you can say there is a 0 carry. So whenever there is no carry, we have to take 1 complement of the result. So what we will do now is, we will find 1's complement of result. That is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1's complement is 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is the answer of the 1's complement, but here the result is negative. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 1 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. That is 9 minus 4 will be equal to, sorry, not 9 minus 4. Here we are doing 4 minus 9, right? 4 minus 9 will be equal to minus 5. Understood? Because here result is negative. So whenever you find 1's complement and no carry is generated, the result will be negative, that is minus 5. Right? So this is how you will perform binary subtraction using 1's complement. So let's revise it. What we saw is, the step 1 was to find 1's complement of the subtrahend. Then what we did is added the 1's complement to its minuend. And in step 3, it was dependent on the result carry. That is, if the carry bit is 1, then what we did, add 1 to the LSB of the result, and whatever result we got was the positive. Then moving to, if there is no carry or 0 carry, then we said that takes 1 complement of the result, and that will be my final answer, and whatever the result is will be negative. So this is how you will perform binary subtraction using 1's complement. Okay. So whenever the second number is greater than first number, then you will get no carry, that is result will be negative. And if the second number is smaller than the first one, then the carry will be generated and the result is positive. This is how you can verify. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.